No, you can't go feel go sabotage show. Hey guys, hi. Introduce yourself, guys.
Introduce yourself.
Hi. I'm the organizer of this event. You can't see me.
Yeah.
Yes, so these people are here courtesy of me.
Acha stima pale. Team.
I'm treating them for lunch. So, and
Ila kana batina kwa kwa.
Kai zatu.
Afisha nini? Ndo afisha.
Hapa lo hizi stima ya kangi. Tuwashie, tuwashie. Nice. Say hi, organizer.
yes, now as I was saying before, I was rudely interrupted. The organizer of this event, we just here to chill. As I tell them what I have in plan for them. Yes, I will tell you as we go on. Let the others introduce themselves.
Hi guys.
Who are you?
My name is Jackie Warira. I was invited by Stacy. She got an engagement.
And the husband is here. The engager. Team engager.
I'm the engager.
Very Muruidania.
Hi guys. I am Jackie's husband.
Internet husband.
Yes.
Oh, and husband. It's couples out. It's couples out.
Yeah, we are couples now. Now what we have done, we just we are couples here, and we just get crashed this event of Stacy.
Of engagement.
Yeah.
And all of us we got this.
Hi you.
Show them this man.
He's the best man. Best man top.
My best man.
Oh no, I'm
Rake na kiasi zido kawe tararia. Wewe keke idania.
Hili hakuna.
Ni kiorava kia.
I guess.
He's not part of the team, please.
Aiki.
Ana niwe je. Letting go die here.
Ate ya.
I guess.
He's not part of us.
I got it.
Ate yengine. Ate I guess.
The last person who is speaking is not part of us.
Yeah.